Ridge Community College welding and machining labs are conveniently located in Mount Crawford, Virginia, just over 10 minutes away from our main campus in Weir's Cave. Each welding booth is set up for everything you need during your class. All gases are piped into each booth, and every booth comes equipped with a fume extractor to remove welding fumes, and a pegboard full of the tools you'll need while you take our classes. Each student workspace contains 2 dedicated welding machines for every student. The Welding Fundamentals class allows the students to experience the many different welding processes used in modern industry. In our Welding Fundamentals class, we'll teach you how to weld, cut, and braze with oxyacetylene gas welding, TIG welding, mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, stick weld on mild steel in multiple positions, including vertical and overhead. We'll also teach you how to use 2 wire-fed processes, including MIG welding and dual shield flux corded welding in multiple positions. The welding fabrication class covers understanding blueprints and weld symbols necessary to build metal projects and structures, learning the safe operation of metal saws, shears, grinders, and drill presses. We will also provide the student the skills needed to be a fabricator. Our Introduction to Pipe Welding class introduces pipe welding skills that provide the student with opportunities for higher wages and more challenging assignments. Our Advanced Pipe Welding class teaches students the walking the cup welding technique used exclusively for thin-wall stainless pipe and tubing. Orbital welding is also covered in this advanced class. Each welding class has a AWS qualification test embedded in the curriculum. Upon successful completion, students will be certified welders by our staff, AWS Certified Welding Inspector. For more information about our professional development and career training courses, please visit us at our website.